To start the bag change procedure, press the bag's icon to enter the bag change screen. Clamp the yellow effluent line and the effluent bag if needed. Disconnect effluent bag from the effluent line. Unload full effluent bag from center load cell. Hang 1 or 2 new effluent bags on the center load cell. Make sure that the inlet is on the right side of the bag. Remove cap and connect the effluent line to the effluent bag. Close drain outlet. Open clamp on effluent line. Select the correct number of effluent bags and confirm it by pressing Bag Change Weight Reset button